Hello, everybody. So I've been sick and my voice is not quite back yet, and I may cough a little bit. However, I didn't want to put this off. I wanted to do this on the exact day that I promised I would do the drawing for the prizes. And if you remember, I'll link to the video below, but if you remember, there is a planner prize and there's a card making prize. And so there were four of each. So it seemed to me the best way to do it would be just to cut exactly the same size strips, put the names on them for each one, and draw them out here on camera. So I started folding these up, and then I realized I need to show the names before I do that so you can see. Okay, so I've got Sandy S. Fold it this way. Fold that one. There we go. Debbie G. I think it's Adnana. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. As someone who's named Dedra, D-E-D-R-A, with no I in there, and everyone calls me Deborah. I really hate mispronouncing people's names. Okay, Catherine C. Okay, let's turn them this way so I can't see any of the names at all. And I'm going to just move them around without really looking. Maybe shake them up a bit. Okay, now I'm going to pick one. And it is Catherine C. So Catherine, if you will look below, I have my email, which is just papercraftsandplanners@gmail.com. If you will send me an email with your shipping address, I will get that out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, everybody who participated and wanted the planner kit. I really appreciate you watching, subscribing, all of that good stuff. Okay, so now we're going to do the card making kit, and this is Sylvia P. Okay, this is Marianne J. This is Andrea M. And this is Connie W. Okay, I feel like I should have a drum roll or something more exciting than just my voice. Okay, gonna pick one. And the winner is Connie W. So Connie, again, if you will just send me an email, there is my email below, but also it is papercraftsandplanners@gmail.com. If you will just send me an email, I'll get that out to you ASAP. Thank you so much, everybody who participated. I really appreciate it. Oh, I should say that my nephew made me this when he was 12, so it's 10 years old. I love this little bowl. Anyway, I thank you everybody who participated. I hope you enjoy the products when they arrive. Make sure you let me know also when they arrive so that I know that you've received them and I'm not wondering if it made it where it was supposed to. Thanks, everybody. Email me winners. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you so much.